demo is regarding split payments. So to start with, let's add products to the cart. So split payments is done when the customer wants to pay the total bill amount, either both via cash or card or UPI. So once the product's added, click on F1. Now we need to select the split option, click enter, and enter the amount that we need to pay through cash. Let's say 50 rupees. Click F2. Next, you can use UPI and pay, let's say, 100 rupees, or let's say 20 rupees through UPI. Next, via card, we can add 35 rupees. Click on F2. Now, the payment will be successful. In the bill, the details will be printed.